Hey everyone, welcome back to the Velf Creations YouTube channel. We recently hit 500 amazing subscribers thanks to your support. As a token of our appreciation, we are giving away this must-have xTool F1 rolling hard case to one lucky viewer. Make sure to watch until the end to learn how to enter. Let's jump right into this quick review, starting with the durable outer shell. This case is made of a hard shell material to protect your F1 from any bumps during transportation. You'll immediately notice the sleek black and gray colors with some clean xTool branding on the front. It is a great size to hold the F1 comfortably with some extra room for accessories. To roll it around, there are 4 smooth gliding wheels on one end along with a retractable handle on the other side. The handle extends for easy pulling. And see these 2 switches? You can lock the wheels in place by flipping it when you don't want the case rolling away. Now let's check out the storage capacity. Unlatching these 2 clips, the top opens up into 2 compartments. There is a tray to place things like your laptop, materials, or safety glasses. Below the tray, there is perfectly cut foam to cradle your F1 to prevent movement. Soft pads at the base protect the delicate components from shocks. There are perfectly sized cutouts for the cut plates, alignment bracket, and power cord too. You can also keep your vent hose directly in this compartment. Everything has its own secure place to prevent rattling around. Our F1 fits very snugly for peace of mind during travel. We think xTool made an awesome protective case to expand where your F1 can go. No more leaving your laser engraver at home, and this one can be yours. Where would you take your F1 if you win this case? Comment below and subscribe for more reviews and tutorials with the xTool F1. Now for the giveaway. To enter this giveaway, head over to the link in the description where you will have a few options to get entries. The giveaway is for US residents only, and shipping will be included. We'll randomly select one winner from the comments on December 6, 2023, and we'll also post the winner on our social media. Good luck, everyone! Let us know if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching and stay creative out there.